Today I'm sitting under a gigantic tree. Why I'm saying gigantic? Because this tree behind me is very big, big in size. That is why I named it gigantic tree. So do you wanna take a look of this tree? So see, this tree is quite big. That is why I told gigantic. So if you see something big, instead of big, you can use gigantic if you want, or else you can say simply big as well, right? Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. This is evening time. Sun is about to set. Look at behind me. Little bit sun is visible, and I'm trying to record my video as soon as possible. You know why? Why? Because after sunset there will be no visibility, right? So how you people would be able to see my face? And that is why I'm trying my level best to record my video as soon as possible. So see my friend, today I decided to record my video from my garden, and I want you to take a closer look of my garden once again. So see, this is my garden. It is no longer beautiful. And why? Because the season has changed. It is summer season. I believe that in rainy season the scenario will be completely changed. My garden will be full of greenery. So this is not something that I wanted to share with you about greenery and all, but there are a lot of things I want to share with you. How a small spark can change our life in both way. It could be negative way, positive way, right? So in today's video I'm going to share with you that thing, that particular thing. See, now you want to learn this language, right? So you just need a small spark. आपके लिए एक छोटा सा चिंगारी काफ़ी है, ठीक है? You should be happy that that small spark is there, and when that right season will come, it will automatically burn. And why I'm saying, let me share with you one incident. So see my friend, few days back this garden was burning. Someone lit the fire, and afterwards that fire took worst form, and I want to share with you that story. See what happened at my home. There was a lot of garbage. Then my mother thought to burn them. Thinking so, she brought that garbage in the garden and she lit the fire. And after lighting the fire, she thought to douse it. There was another lady. She told to my mother, let it be. There are unnecessary grass. Let them burn. Afterward, I'll douse it. So my mother carried water in bucket, and little bit part she doused, and she went to my farm. And why she left little bit of fire? Because another lady told, right? So when my mother went to my farm, afterward, after 1 hour, we heard one news that our entire garden is burning. And not only garden, but near about this garden, farm is there. That farm was also burning. Whatever was there in the farm, it also caught the fire. Okay, so when I heard this news, I rushed to my garden, and afterward I came, I saw all the plants were burning. Okay, because it's a summer season, everywhere dryness is there, right? And we are lucky enough that in our farm there is no wheat crop. Otherwise it could have also caught the fire. So when I came and saw that my garden was burning, I tried to carry the water, but little bit water was not enough to douse the fire. Okay, so what I did, I asked my mom, why did you do it? Don't you know what could be the consequence? Then my mother said that I didn't do it on purpose. I just lit the garbage. Afterward, I tried to douse, but just because of that lady word, I didn't douse completely. And my friend, in few minutes, I mean near about 1 hour, my entire garden was burning, and not only my, but other people garden was also burning. You can see I'm not able to capture all the area. I would say it's a big area which has been affected by the fire badly. So what happened, I had little bit fear because who had lit the fire? My mother, right? That is why I thought if something wrong happened with other people, my mother would be responsible, right? That is why I had a lot of fear. And then at the same time I was worried about the plants also, because some plants they burnt, I mean they died, but this work was not done on the purpose. My mother didn't do on purpose. That is why I didn't want to blame my mother, right? So it is not good also. She did it and she wanted to douse, but that lady didn't let my mother to do it. Okay, so what happened, a lot of people gathered, they were blaming, they were saying this one, that one, and afterward we found that there were no crop in our field, and then we got little bit relaxed because only unnecessary grass was burning, and this fire had affected big tree little bit, but small plants were affected very badly. Okay, so what I want to convey you, how a small spark burnt my entire garden, because season was in its favor, right? Summer season is in the favor of fire. If small spark is there in summer season, it can take the bigger form, like that fire can spread in a big area, right? So see, in your case, if you have spark, I mean देखिए, अगर आपके माइंड में छोटा सा चिंगारी है कुछ करने का, तो आप उसको कर लेंगे, ठीक है? और कैसे, अगर आपका इन्वायरमेंट आपके फेवर में हो। देखिए, ये जो गार्डन था वो कैसे चला, क्योंकि ये समर सीजन था, ठीक है? अगर ये रैनी सीजन रहा होता तो शायद ये नहीं जलता, ठीक? अगर ये समर सीजन ना होकर रैनी सीजन रहा होता तो जो आग था, जो स्पार्क था, वो वहीं का वहीं बुझ गया होता। लेकिन ये समर सीजन था और सभी चीज़ें सूखी हुई थी, तो जो आग था वो फैलता गया और उसी की वजह से पूरा गार्डन जो है वो जल गया। देखिए, अगर आपका इन्वायरमेंट सही नहीं है और आपके अंदर चिंगारी है कुछ करने की, आग है कुछ करने की, आप कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि जो आपका इन्वायरमेंट है वो सीज़न की तरह है। क्योंकि अगर आपका इन्वायरमेंट ठीक नहीं है तो लोग आपको क्या करेंगे, निगेटिव फील करवाएंगे और आपको ना दबाने की कोशिश करेंगे और आपको सोचेंगे कि आप कुछ कर ही ना पाए, ठीक है? लाइक बहुत इफ़ेक्ट करता है। सी, इन्वायरमेंट इफेक्ट अस अ लॉट। I think I didn't speak so well in Hindi, so it's my fault. So see, environment affects us a lot. If your environment is not good, it is like that rainy season, so your fire will be doused automatically. But if your environment is in your favor, my friend, you can do impossible thing also. Okay, but if your environment is not in your favor, I mean, if you don't have good environment, whatever spark is there inside you, it will remain spark, because your environment will not let you do that thing. So make sure you are in good environment. See, if you are English learner and trying to learn this language, there might be a lot of people saying to you, what will you do after learning this language? There is no use of learning this language. बड़ा अंग्रेज बने हो, right? हमें पता है हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हमें पता है कि हम इस लैंग्वेज को पढ़कर क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, हमें पता है कि अगर हम इस लैंग्वेज को जानते हैं तो पूरे वर्ल्ड को समझ सकते हैं, है कि नहीं? इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि मैं अदर लैंग्वेज का डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर रही हूँ, नहीं, सभी लैंग्वेज का अपना अपना स्थान है। तो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पूरे वर्ल्ड में बोला जाता है, इसी वजह से अगर हमें वर्ल्ड को समझना है तो फिर अगर हम इंग्लिश जान ले तो क्या, ये भी एक स्किल हो जाएगा, है कि नहीं? जहाँ भी जाते हैं काम करने, वहाँ इंग्लिश की ज़रूरत। wherever we go, we are asked, do you know English or not? So that is why we need to learn English, right? We know why we are learning this language. However, there are a lot of people, they just keep saying us, why you are learning English, why you are doing this one, that one. They constantly try to pull us back, they constantly try to suck our energy, they don't help us to achieve bigger things in our life. That is why we have to make sure, we have to cut off from that kinds of company, we have to cut off from that kinds of friend circle, we have to cut off from that kinds of environment, or else we won't achieve whatever we want to achieve. Okay, it could be fluency, it could be anything in our life. Don't listen if you are mindful, if you are mindfully doing something, in that case don't listen anyone. Okay, or else you will have regression that I wish I could have taken the first step and done my work. My friend, don't let such things dominate you or douse the fire which is inside your heart, which is inside your mind. You would be thinking, why this girl is saying like this? I thought this example can make you more aware. Maybe if I say in word, it won't hit you very deeply, but if I show you, it may go very deep down, it may penetrate your soul also, who knows, and it can transform you. That is why I thought, let's try to share, because I saw this is what was happening in my garden, and I found, okay, let's try to make a video on this topic. So this is what, see my friend, this is evening time, as I told you initially. So gentle breeze is blowing. I am really in the present moment. I am not worried about past and future, because I need to be present while making video, right? And really I am thrilled at this point when I am making this video. After making this video, maybe I will do some other work and I won't be that much happy, but as for now, I'm really so happy while making this video. So as I told you, the essence of this video is, if you want your spark should not douse, then be in the good company, or else no matter how big spark is inside you, your outer side environment will douse that spark and you won't be able to do. Okay, so as I told you, cut off from the wrong people, cut off from the wrong community, and do whatever you like. So this is what, there can be a lot of story, I mean there can be a lot of essence or story, but I got this one only. So I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.